She's so fine. Helluva, blows my mind. Helluva, lights my day.
What's good, guys? This story is coming out of Colorado. It came out via Newsweek on the 17th, and I want to thank Marie722 for sending it to me. Judge censured for using N-word and manifesting bias from the bench resigns. The Supreme Court of Colorado censured an Arapahoe County judge and accepted her resignation amid allegations that the judge made a racist remark and was, quote, manifesting bias from the bench. An order filed on Friday shows judges agreeing to censure Judge Natalie Chase, quote, based upon violations of the duties of your office as a district court judge for the 18th Judicial District, end quote. Among the accusations, one case stated that when Chase, who is white, was driving from a Safe Baby program with a black family court facilitator, she had asked the staffer why black people can say the N-word but white people cannot. The judge also allegedly asked, quote, whether it was different if the N-word is said with an ER or an A at the end of the word, end quote. The court document also indicated that the judge said the N-word during the conversation. The facilitator told the court that hearing Chase use the N-word felt like being stabbed through my heart each time. She also said that she was afraid that the judge would retaliate against her. Two more points in the documents indicated that Chase appeared to show racial bias when discussing the Super Bowl in her robes and on the bench. In February 2020, Chase allegedly said that she wouldn't be watching the Super Bowl as, quote, she objected to the NFL players who were kneeling during the national anthem in protest of police brutality against black people, end quote. Another point noted that two employees tried to explain the significance of the Black Lives Matter protest that after George Floyd was killed. While Chase did say that the police involved in Floyd's death should be investigated, she also appeared to discredit the Black Lives Matter movement. Quote, Judge Chase stated that she believes all lives matter, end quote, the court document said. Other points mentioned in the document included references to the judge asking a law clerk to do research on a personal legal matter unrelated to her caseload, having discourteous conversations about personal matters, inappropriately cursing when speaking about another judge, and more. The conclusions by the court found that saying the N-word, quote, creates the appearance of impropriety, end quote, and the judge had also violated a rule that forbids, quote, manifesting bias or prejudice based on race or ethnicity by word or action, end quote. The document concluded with the court's decision to censure and accept her resignation 45 days from filing. A public information officer referred Newsweek to the written opinion when asked to comment. Wow. So, I guess 45 days later, she will be off the bench, and I'm wondering if they're going to probe into any cases that she had made decisions on to see whether she appropriately made decisions based on the facts of the case rather than any type of bias. So we don't really need judges on the bench with that type of BS going on. How can anyone be treated fairly if you have someone that's manifesting bias on the caseload? I'm going to end the story on that note, guys. Thanks for watching.